Hi, in last session we saw how to install and configure Sonar scanner. In this session we are going to see how to run some sample Python files for Sonar Cube so that we can analyze the Python files. So for this, so already we have run that Sonar Cube, so it is up and running. Once this is up and running, just go to website and just type that localhost 9000. Just enter. So this Sonar Cube is coming, and so we need to create the new project right now. So in that Sonar Cube, you can see here there are more tabs are there: projects, issues, rules, quality profiles, quality gates, and administration. So we will cover all these things later. So right now we are going to create a new project to analyze the Python files. So for this, just create the new project now and just give any project key. Yeah, you can give anything. So just I'm giving sample Python project. So just set up now. So enter a generate a token. So you can give any token name. So I will give that my token. So just generate. So now this is my token. Just copy this token. Continue. And you can see that now we can analyze your Python project. So you can analyze like Java, .NET, or C Sharp, or any kind of project. So now we are using Python. So just go here. Just we are using Windows. So this is the command to run this Sonar cube. So just copy this and basically it will run the Sonar scanner for this using this the key which we have created, and this is the Sonar URL for this port. So just copy this, and I already downloaded some of the basic Python project in C drive. Sonar cube, sonar Sonar Cube. Then I've already downloaded some Python files here. So just going here. So under source, I have already some Python files, all these files. So we are going to run the Sonar scanner for these files so that it will generate the reports. So once we are going inside this folder, just copy this, sorry, command, and just go to this folder. Now just whatever it is there here generated, just copy. Now we are going to run the Sonar scanner for this Python project so that the analysis will be done. So just paste here, just run it. As you can see, the Sonar scanner is running now. It is analyzing all the Python files inside that particular folder. So now it is trying to load all the Python files, and yeah, it is running right now. Oh, it's failed. It's failed because some of the files like Scala, even our files was there inside this source folder. So that's why it's failed. So I deleted all Scala or just like our files. So since we are scanning only the Python files, we will be only using only Python files. So just you can go here, just only the Python files will be available now. So once you will delete all the files, just go again and just run it again. Sonar scanner. Yeah, now it's running right now. Yeah, yeah, now it is trying to load and analyze, and yeah, starting analyzing. See, you can see the 21 source files is analyzed. Yeah, now we can see that so the execution is success. So it means to say that the Sonar scanner has successfully scanned the Python files. So just for this, seeing this, just go to here, this just refresh this page, and now just go to the project now, and you can see that here the Python project which we have created earlier. So just you can go now inside this and see, this is the overview, like so there is no bugs here and there is no vulnerabilities here. So all these things metrics it will give. So if you have any issues, you can go and see the issues here, and see, you can see that in left hand side severities, like how many blockers are there, how many critical issues are there, how many major issues are there. So for example, you want to see only the major, just click major and just go inside this, and it will show what is the error here. So according to that, you can change the code, and you can rerun the Sonar scanner again. This is how we can scan the Python project.